550 Lima X-ray, flighting 175, runway 20, cleared for takeoff.
November 9, Yankee Tango, continue down to Alpha 3, then Alpha Hotel departing this frequency.
Commercial Tower, 146 Tango Charlie, we're going to go around and enter the left pattern.
6 Tango Charlie, I only need 3,000 feet, I've got that. It's so clear to land, don't you dare go around.
Traffic is still on the runway, 146 Tango Charlie.
I know, I have the 3,000 feet that I need.
Alright, traffic off, 146 Tango Charlie, landing.
He doesn't need to be off. Six Tango Charlie, Alpha 2, Alpha Hotel departing this frequency, and we don't need him to be off the runway. You guys are the same category of aircraft that only needs 3,000 feet. Yeah, company policy does not override the rules, so Alpha 2, Alpha 5, back to runway 21, and where are you going after this?